Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Do you aspire to upgrade your living? With Arihant Advika, Sector 9, Vashi. Upgrade to iconic residential tower.
Fashion Nova, Diva Pageant and Avas Today present Keeping Up with Face of Mumbai 2021 रियलिटी शो पावर्ड बाय पार्टनर रिचलॉन के ग्रैंड सक्सेस की चर्चाएं सभी जगह हो रही है और इस सक्सेस को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए फेस ऑफ मुंबई की ऑर्गेनाइजर टीम ने ग्रैंड आफ्टर पार्टी का आयोजन वेन्यू पार्टनर रहे बेलापुर के शोर द डिस्क में किया था। इस पैजेंट में हिस्सा लिए विनर्स एंड कंटेस्टेंट्स ने यह आफ्टर पार्टी में अपना टैलेंट दिखाते हुए खूब एंजॉय किया। इस आफ्टर पार्टी के लिए कई स्पेशल गेस्ट की उपस्थिति रही। इसमें लाइफस्टाइल डिजाइनर एंड बॉलीवुड प्रोड्यूसर शिव मल्होत्रा, लॉरेंस एंड मेयो एंड येलो स्पाइडर इवेंट्स की ओनर डॉक्टर सुहानी मेंडोंगा, इंटरनेशनल डिजाइनर अनीस दीन, साउथ सेंसेशनल क्वीन एक्ट्रेस रगासिया, PGPC टैलेंट ऑफ द मंथ विनर February 21 मिस स्नेहा शिंदे, मिसेस वेस्ट इंडिया 2020 विनर मिसेस चैताली बैद्य ने अपनी उपस्थिति से पार्टी में रंगत लाई। फैशन नोवा की ओनर लक्ष्मी सोना सूचन एंड वरदराजन शिवा शंकरन और दिवा पैजेंट्स की ओनर कार मस्करनेस एंड अंजना मस्करनेस आयोजित फेस ऑफ मुंबई पैजेंट को ग्रैंड सक्सेस मिलने पर उपस्थितों ने उनकी जमकर तारीफ की।
One thing, if any girl, any lady, any woman who wants to step out of her house and who wants to walk that track with confidence, there are only two people who come to my mind, because these wonderful angels, as I call them, they don't only come and help you through that particular pageant or that event. They actually come in and support you as long as for the rest of their lives. And the only two people I know who do that is Carl and Anjana Baswena. You must be wondering why I am saying all these things about them. So this beautiful girl Sona out here, she was a participant in their pageant, and today she's running her own pageant. It says a lot for this wonderful couple out here. And Sona, seriously, I have to say this to you, fantastic face of Mumbai truly rocks. Don't you guys agree? So that's all I have to say. I am Dr. Sohani Mendonca, and I I am a proud event manager. My company's name is Yellow Spider Events. And yes, my husband's business, family business is Lawrence and Mew. So we have always collaborated with this wonderful couple here, Carl and Anjana Mascarenas. And they are so big-hearted and so wonderful that wherever they go, they take everybody along with them.
Why I come here is not just because of that the attention or the what do you call it, the VIP treatment that I get, but it is because of the people. Sona and her husband, Carl and Anjana, they are the ones, they are the makers. And very few people, you find that are genuinely doing what they are doing, especially in this industry. I'm from films, fashion, pageant, everything, cover it all. So once again, I would say always follow your mentors, listen to them, take their guidelines, and go for the gold. Because this is the time, this is the stage, and you fortunate ones have got it. Not everybody can get this, and you all deserve the crown. And Sona, again, see, look at the entrepreneur here we have. She has come all the way, and thanks to Anjana and Carl, they are the makers of entrepreneurs. And please, don't miss this opportunity of being under their wings. You will fly high. So all the best, all the best to all of you. And thank you for always inviting me. I'm really honored. It's a great honor to be here. Whenever she calls me, she says, Shiv ma'am, I said, I can never say no to her. If I have other commitment, no, I'm coming. It's like that. I love you guys. Once again, all the best to you for all your endeavors ahead. To all of you. Thank you. Have a great day and enjoy the evening. Let's dance. Come on the floor.
today on behalf of Team Face of Mumbai. So I can see Urja, House of Urja, all the Urja, can you just say hi? Just come here please. And we have Navi Mumbai Awas team, Shweta and Tinko, please come here. And we have the decor partner Priyanka. I don't even know where the Shakka Dabba is even till today.
Have an amazing evening. Until then, when it comes to hosting, and I'm sure this
Success party of Miss and Mrs. Face of Mumbai 2021. I hope you all are excited and will love to see the rest of the day with our amazing performances. But before that, I would like to introduce you to my co-anchor, who is a girl who mentioned about her red lipstick manager and also is a trained classical dancer. So we would like to hear from Nivedita
proud about. You know, in the nutshell, basically, lovely. Varda sir, thank you so much. Personally, my favorite, our favorite, I should say.
Ladies and gentlemen. So when I was writing these intros, I kept talking about red lipstick and striking blonde locks. I know for a fact I am here tonight, hopefully, to blow you off your socks. So that was just a little tribute to our winner Sonia. That was her line. But more to the point, I want to share that since she's still here and she's going to leave with us so shortly, a big tribute to Dr. Suhani and to Kushbu and to Sanket who are here with us tonight. So thank you very much guys for sparing the time and coming here. Also to Sona and Varta who've now done this for the third time in a row. And it has been a joy for us, for my wife Anjana and me to collaborate with you guys. And hopefully we will be facing Mumbai and showing the faces of Mumbai in the years to come. So cheers once again. There is this thing which says men socialize by abusing each other, but they don't really mean it. Women socialize by praising each other, but they don't really mean it either. So Joe, we want to pay big tribute to you and to Ali's team, people to all these lovely ladies here, the true faces of Mumbai, and the reason why we are here. So let me just share this, and it takes guts, it takes impetus, it takes what have you to be on a stage. But when you're able to come through the spheres and shine in front of an audience, I think that's where the glory lies. So cheers to you guys. I'm really proud on behalf of my wife Anjana and me to be part of Face of Mumbai and long may this continue. Cheers. In life as you grow is to see somebody like Sunetra who was our first Face of Mumbai winner. So let's give her a big round of applause. But even more so, and of Vian, who are the shining lights of this show. So over to them, and please continue, lady.
I really wanted to join this. I called up Sona, I spoke to her, we had a lovely chat and I decided to move forward. I spoke to my family about it and they were quite happy. They encouraged me and everything, and I moved forward to this journey with Mrs. Face of Mumbai. And it's so lovely because I have experienced new faces here, our contestants, beautiful ladies, and yes, it's an honor to be here and learn so many things from this journey. And today, since Sona offered this opportunity to host this party today, I'm really glad and I thank Face of Mumbai and all the team members. Appreciate them. So a round of applause to them once again and the entire team.
फेस ऑफ मुंबई पैजेंट के विनर एंड कंटेस्टेंट्स ने इस पार्टी में धूम मचाई। ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने इस पार्टी में आवाज टुडे सहित सभी पार्टनर्स का सम्मान किया। चलिए देखते हैं किस तरह इस पार्टी को सभी ने एंजॉय किया।
The winners and the contestants of Miss and Mrs.
someone else. It doesn't even matter and it doesn't even help. These broken girls only want me for my wealth or want me for my fame, just like everybody else. It's like yes, go down, but if you're ready, find somebody new, but I'm just not ready. With the woman in my dreams, since the day that you met me and my life found the lines, treat the female pretty, and there's a beautiful girl waiting for me at home. So tell me why you are sitting alone. I guess I'm ones that you love and like close. I'm the same ones that will hurt you alone. Yeah, that's funny to me, yeah, that's funny to me. I thought you wanted to be, I thought you wanted to see what it would look like. Is it you, is it me? But it's gonna be a future that we never will see. And you had me to even see, but I saw because of you. Cause everything you did and every single thing you're doing, now you're thinking you can fix me like everything is cool. But you with someone else, are you with me too? Then we think going on. Sacrifice, it's a million of times, but we put no it's a life. It's a circle of life, couldn't escape it for time. But they live in your love and then you love.
2021 के विनर्स ने ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को धन्यवाद देते हुए अपनी प्रतिक्रिया दी है।
First of all, very good evening to everyone. My experience with Face of Mumbai was first thing that I have got beautiful 31 ladies as my friends here. It was like a family to me. And secondly, about Face of Mumbai has given me a chance to explore myself, that how confident I am. And it was amazing with all 31 ladies here, because you can explore your talents, your confidence, and of course it's beautiful with brains. So yes, I feel very proud, and it's a very prestige and a pride moment for me to announce myself that yes, I've become the winner of Face of Mumbai 2021. And apparently Face of Mumbai has given me a chance to speak in front of like media and crowds. So that one thing I've gained from Face of Mumbai. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am Kamna Shidhai, first runner-up Face of Mumbai. I would say the moment when I entered Face of Mumbai and when I got out of it, I was altogether a different person. I rediscovered myself, and it was a beautiful self-development experience, I would say. I can fly and touch the sky. I can stop and see back. I can rush and get embraced. The memories of my life, which are nothing else but my Face of Mumbai days. Thank you so much for the lovely opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Sujata Das, and I'm the second runner-up of Face of Mumbai 2021. So to share my experience with Face of Mumbai, it's been a great journey. I've made a beautiful family over here. Okay, outside my family, I've made a new family. Apart from that, I've met wonderful people with wonderful soul. I have learned many things. Though I'm a teacher, I would be proud to say that I have learned many new things here. And I would also want the aspiring mothers, the ladies, the women out there who just want to, they're just dreaming that if we could be in my position or my place, I would really want them to encourage and fulfill their dreams. Do participate in the pageants like this. People here are very supportive. You will feel it's kind of adventure. It's kind of treat for yourself, because you'll know more about yourself. You will also realize your potential in the process. So I think go for it, moms, go for it, girls, and just make the wonder happen and see yourself blossom into a new person. Thank you so much.
Face of Mumbai for me is like the game changer you need in your life. It's like the turning point, that little bit of spice you need in your life to like jump from this level to that. For me, I am very grateful for the Face of Mumbai team. It's like the family I have always dreamt of, and now I am truly a part of it. Thank you so much.
फेस ऑफ मुंबई के साथ जो अभी तक की हमारी अच्छी यात्रा हुई है, हमारी जर्नी हुई है, वो बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस बहुत अच्छी हुई है. जैसे हमने शुरुआत की, जैसे हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था, आगे जाके हमारी आशाएं फेस ऑफ मुंबई के साथ जैसी जुड़ी थी, उन्होंने हमें आज तक डिसअपॉइंट नहीं किया है. एंड चाहे वो हमारे जर्नी का पहला दिन हो या आखिरी दिन, उन्होंने हमेशा हमारा सपोर्ट किया है, कभी हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ा है. जितने भी हमारे टीचर्स रहे हैं, शिक्षक रहे हैं, उन्होंने कभी हमें निराश नहीं किया है. जब भी फ़ोन करें रात को, हम 1 बजे, 2 बजे, 3 बजे, वह हमेशा कॉल पे रेडी थे. मुझे अभी भी याद है हमारे एक जो अच्छे टीचर थे, काल सर, उनको मैंने रात के 2:30 को मैंने फ़ोन किया था, क्योंकि अगले दिन हमारे फिनाले था. और मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया था यही पूछने के लिए कि सर मैं मेरा स्टेज फियर कैसे भगाऊँ. और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मुझे संभाला, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज दिया, और मुझे सिर्फ इतना बोला कि जो मैं हूँ वो मुझे स्टेज पे सारे लोगों को दिखाना है. उनके जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस थे उनके नियम के अनुसार हम सब लोगों ने काम किया और आज हम इस मुकाम पे हैं और मुझे फेस ऑफ मुंबई को बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा थैंक यू बोलना है। हम उनके हमेशा शुक्रगुजार रहेंगे कि ऐसा उन्होंने पैजेंट हम सीधी सादी लड़कियों के लिए बनाया है, जिसकी वजह से हम लड़कियां इस ऊंचे पायदान पे पहुंचे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फेस ऑफ मुंबई, थैंक यू सोना मैम, थैंक यू वर्ता सर, थैंक यू टू ऑल आवर मेंटर्स, प्रिंस सर फॉर द रैम्प, Carl sir for the grooming, our behind the stage helpers, Saima, Sunetra, Kes, all of you, thank you so much. It was wonderful working with us and looking forward to many such more meets. Thank you Face of Mumbai. Cheers.
Face of Mumbai, I think, is the celebration for me. It's the celebration of womanhood and celebration of myself. I just think that they just groomed us up from head to toe. It was not just about the beauty, it was about our personality and all aspects as a woman. And I'm glad that I was a part of this experience, this journey and this wonderful, association. And thank you everybody, the whole team. And lot of love to all of them. I'm really thankful and I'm proud to be a part of Face of Mumbai. Thank you.
इस पार्टी के लिए उपस्थित गेस्ट और ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने फेस ऑफ मुंबई पैजेंट के सक्सेस के बारे में बताते हुए प्रतिक्रिया दी है।
वेल, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक रहा। आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट वर्तराजन एंड सोना, लक्ष्मी सोना, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ऑफ फेस ऑफ मुंबई। इनका ये तीसरा साल था और बहुत ही धमाकेदार इन्होंने फिनाले किया। दिस वाज एट सिडको ऑडिटोरियम। 33 मिस एंड मिसेस कॉन्टेस्टेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया एंड इट वाज अ वंडरफुल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल पैजेंट जर्नी फॉर ईच वन ऑफ देम। आज इनका आफ्टर पार्टी है, सारी की सारी महिलाएं, लड़कियां यहाँ पे है एंड जिस तरह से वो एंजॉय कर रही हैं, जिस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताया, जिनको इनको ट्रेनिंग में इन्होंने कितना कुछ सीखा। दीवा पैजेंट्स, मी एंड माई हस्बैंड कार्ल मैस्करेनस वर द ग्रूमिंग पार्टनर्स एंड ऑल्सो द सब ऑर्गेनाइजर्स फॉर दिस इवेंट। तो उनको जो वो ग्रूमिंग में उन्होंने इतना कुछ सीखा, उसके बाद एक बड़े स्टेज पे उनको चलने का, बात करने का, अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का मौका मिला। सो दे आर एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी एंड आई एम ऑल्सो एक्सट्रीमली privileged to be part of this extremely good pageant which Varta and Sona are doing. My best wishes to both of them. I am sure season 4 will be even more rocking. And my best wishes to Awaz and the entire unit of Face of Mumbai. Winners बहुत ही अच्छे winners हैं। आज सारे के सारे यहाँ पे हैं, enjoy कर रहे हैं अपना glory moment। उनका homecoming हुआ यहाँ पे, जो कि पहली बार मैंने मुंबई में ऐसा देखा कि विनर्स घर गए, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने उनका होमकमिंग का जर्नी कैप्चर किया। और मतलब आप सोचो कि 100-200 कम से कम 250 लोग देखने आए कि ये विनर आई है यहाँ पे और सब ने उनको बधाइयाँ दी। पूरा मुंबई जुड़ गया उनको कंग्रेचुलेट करने के लिए। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई विश द विनर्स, नॉट जस्ट द विनर्स, इवन द सबटाइटल विनर्स, ऑल द very best for a fantastic journey ahead with Face of Mumbai.
So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Carl Mascarenhas and along with my wife, we are co-collaborators with Varta and Sona for the magnificent Face of Mumbai 2021. So what made this different? This time we had a host of lovely ladies, both Miss and Mrs. vying for this prestigious title. And while we've done it for the 3rd consecutive year, let me just state this, that while the show is called Face of Mumbai, we taught people how to really face Mumbai. Cheers.
वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट साई पवार के साथ श्वेता भोई की रिपोर्ट, आवाज टुडे, बेलापुर।
Subscribe to Awaaz today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.